Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by trading domains. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. If you're interested in creating an online income, domain trading could be a great option for you. But before you get started, it's important to understand the basics of domain trading. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from finding domains to sell, to valuing and selling them. First, let's define what a domain is. A domain is an online real estate asset and can be considered as an investment property. Just like any physical property, domains can be bought and sold for a profit. The domain market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and there are many successful domain investors who make a living from trading domains. Next, let's talk about how to buy and sell domains. There are various ways to buy and sell domains. The most common way is through a domain marketplace such as GoDaddy Auctions or Sedo. These platforms allow buyers and sellers to list their domains for sale and connect with each other to negotiate prices. There are also many private deals that happen outside of these marketplaces. Now, let's discuss the benefits of domain trading. Domain trading can be profitable if done correctly. It's a low-cost business with little overhead, so it's ideal for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Domains can be bought for as little as $10 and sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Because the market is ever-changing, there's always opportunity for profit. For example, generic domains that were popular in the early 2000s are now worth much more as people realize their potential value in the future. Finding domains to trade is an important step in the process. One way to do this is by researching domain trends. To be a successful domain trader, you need to have a good understanding of the market. You can research domain trends by monitoring news and industry trends, studying sale prices, analyzing Google AdWords, and identifying expiring domains. Another way to find domains to trade is by searching for domains for sale on websites such as Sedo, Afternic, and Flippa. When searching for domains on these sites, be sure to use advanced search filters so you can find the best deals. Once you've found a domain to trade, the next step is to value it. The first step in valuing a domain is to assess its worth. This can be done by considering the age of the domain, the extension of the domain, the length of the domain, the keywords in the domain, and the traffic to the domain. To determine a domain's value, you can consider the market value of similar domains, the demand for the domain, and the potential revenue that the domain could generate. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money by trading domains. From understanding the basics of domain trading, to finding and valuing domains, There are many opportunities to make a profit. Remember, it's important to keep up with trends in the market, use advanced search filters and valuation methods to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.